title is How Marijuana Can Improve Your Life, and it's mostly it's 10 different ways that it can improve your life. That being said, who do you think should not be using cannabis?
I think the government is very hitting the nail on the head when they're saying yes, it should definitely be avoiding cannabis until they're older. I know that sort of goes into my story earlier, but I think that it's probably advisable for a young person to, like alcohol, stay away from it until you're older, until you sort of you can use with intention, I guess. I find a lot of people, teenagers that just smoke weed just to do something that's rebellious, like for myself. The more my parents told me not to do something, the more I wanted to do it. So it's just it's refreshing, and it's cool that we're seeing some more progressive kind of things coming out around that. I know the Canadian Students for Sensible Drug Policy actually has a really good thing on kids in Canada. So definitely kids shouldn't be using cannabis. I think
kids should be using
shouldn't. Sorry, there's an NC on it. Should not.
Important distinction.
Yeah. What about kids with seizures? I saw a documentary about kids that were benefiting. Was that just CBD that they would be using, or would it be THC?
It would depend on the type of epilepsy that the person has. I think when you were talking about medical cannabis,
crafted this sort of, mystique around them and this celebrity sort of.
Yeah, when you see them out of context, they're just garbage.
I saw them and I was like, what are these ones? She's like, those are the most expensive. And I was like holding it and I was like, this is $1,000. And I'm still.
I have to say, Gravity Cope, the suits that are $1,000 are beautiful.
Oh yeah, they're like handmade and gorgeous and like kissed by a baby angel.
Even the things that I don't like, I'm like, I get it.
Yeah, they're too small.
Jessica, what's your retail dream?
My retail dream is I went to the no waste grocery store.
Yeah, I was just there last night.
You might have gone there because I saw that you were eating the vegan Nora's ice cream.
Yeah, they have it in glass there.
They have it
for everywhere else.
Yeah, you can return it and get your deposit on the jar. And it was just so nice to be in there, even though I felt like a total ding dong.
So this is called Nada. It's on Broadway near Fraser in Vancouver. It's our first no waste grocery store. It's beautiful inside.
It's very similar to the soap dispensary though in principle, but it's more produce. And yeah, because I'd never been in these before, I just didn't really know how things worked. And of course there's signs everywhere, and there's a whole area for bagging things and putting them in jars. And if you don't bring your own jars, you can rent a jar from them and pay a deposit. Or there's a whole